Eric Hecker is a former U.S. Navy veteran and a former contractor who worked in Antarctica at the Amundsen Scott South Pole Station. In recent years, he has gained attention for making a series of extraordinary claims about what he says he witnessed while stationed there. According to Hecker, his role at the South Pole included work as a firefighter and plumber. And he states that this access allowed him to observe systems and infrastructure that were not part of publicly disclosed scientific missions. Central to his allegations is the IceCube neutrino detector, a well-known international scientific project located beneath the Antarctic ice. Hecker claims that IceCube is not just a neutrino observatory, but a covert directed energy weapon system. He has described it as Haarp on steroids, suggesting it is capable of emitting or manipulating large amounts of energy. In his account, this system could allegedly influence the atmosphere, alter the jet stream, and even trigger seismic events. One of his most serious allegations is that this technology was responsible for the 2011 Christchurch earthquake in New Zealand. He has claimed that the timing and characteristics of the quake point to artificial interference rather than natural tectonic causes. Hecker has also alleged that the same class of technology could be used for weather modification and large-scale environmental control. Beyond geophysical effects, Hecker has stated that he encountered technologies that exceed known public science, including systems capable of faster-than-light communication. He argues that such advancements indicate the existence of highly classified programs operating far beyond what governments publicly acknowledge. Hecker frames these technologies as tools of geopolitical control. He claims they are operated by what he describes as a deep state, using advanced systems to shape global events, influence populations, and control narratives on a worldwide scale. He has stated that these capabilities are hidden behind scientific cover projects and protected by extreme secrecy. These claims have circulated widely in alternative media spaces, whistleblower podcasts, and online platforms focused on government secrecy and UFO-related topics. Hecker has said that he has testified before members of Congress and that his statements are part of formal whistleblower disclosures. However, there is no publicly available evidence confirming his allegations from the scientific and governmental perspective. The IceCube neutrino detector has a well-documented and open mission. IceCube is designed to detect neutrino subatomic particles that pass through Earth from distant cosmic events using thousands of optical sensors embedded deep within Antarctic ice. Its purpose is observational, not energetic. It does not generate directed beams or transmit energy into the atmosphere or Earth's crust. Physicists and engineers have pointed out that the power requirements necessary to influence weather systems or cause earthquakes would be orders of magnitude beyond anything IceCube is capable of producing. Fact-checking organizations and scientific institutions have stated that Hecker's claims contradict basic physics and the known capabilities of the facility. Additionally, no independent data links IceCube or any Antarctic installation to seismic events such as the Christchurch earthquake. Earthquake science overwhelmingly supports tectonic plate movement as the cause of such events, with extensive global monitoring networks confirming natural origins. While Hecker's military background and time in Antarctica give his story surface-level credibility to some audiences, credibility alone does not substitute for evidence. To date, no documents, sensor data, engineering schematics, or corroborating witnesses have emerged to support his assertions. This leaves the situation in a familiar, gray zone. On one side are extraordinary claims involving hidden technology, global control systems, and weaponized science. On the other side is a lack of verifiable proof, combined with strong scientific explanations that directly contradict those claims. The Eric Hecker story highlights a broader issue in modern discourse, the tension between distrust in institutions and the need for evidence-based conclusions. His allegations continue to circulate because they tap into real concerns about secrecy, military research, and the limits of public transparency. As of now, his claims remain unproven, unverified, and unsupported by independent scientific or governmental confirmation. Whether viewed as whistleblowing, misinformation, or speculative theory, the Hecker case serves as a reminder that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence and that without it, the truth remains unresolved.